P0350. On a Nissan means ignition coil, primary or secondary circuit malfunction. It's a general coil circuit fault, not tied to a specific cylinder. Possible causes: 1. Faulty ignition coils, internal short or open circuit. 2. Wiring issues, damaged, corroded, or loose coil harness wires or connectors. 3. Faulty spark plugs, worn or incorrect gap causing coil overload. 4. ECM, engine control module, fault, failed coil driver circuit inside ECM. 5. Low battery voltage or charging problems, weak current affecting coil operation. 6. Moisture in connectors, water intrusion leading to short circuit. How to fix: 1. Visual inspection. Unplug each coil connector. Check for corrosion, burnt pins, or loose fit. 2. Check wiring continuity. From coil connector back to ECM. Look for broken or rubbed wires. 3. Test ignition coils. Swap coils between cylinders. If code changes to a specific cylinder, like P0351, P0356, the coil is bad. 4. Replace spark plugs, if worn, fouled, or incorrectly gapped. 5. Check battery or alternator. Ensure 12.4V plus off, 13.7, 14.5V running. 6. Replace faulty ignition coils, if confirmed bad. 7. ECM testing or replacement, only if wiring and coils are good but code persists. Electric light bulb on many Nissans, X-Trail, Altima, Tiida. P0350 is often caused by a bad coil or damaged wiring at the coil connector.